Hello and welcome to another video. This one is all about the latest update from Apple. The latest update from Apple is the iOS 12.4. And have you noticed anything different with your mobile phone, your iWatch, your iPad, your computer, or even your Apple TV? My answer is actually no. So what is iOS 12.4? It is an iPhone migration, and I'm going to read from my screen here. Introduces the ability to wirelessly transfer data to migrate directly an old iPhone to a new iPhone during setup. But how do we set up iPhones before? We just did it via iTunes. It may have taken a couple of hours to get all the information from your old phone to your new phone, and bam, it's done. Do we need it? No. The other thing on iOS 12.4 is related to your iWatch and the walkie-talkie. There were some bugs there, and they said they seem to have fixed it. But then again, how many people use walkie-talkie? I set it up and haven't used it once. And the other features there are things related to newspapers on the iPhone, etc., etc. Now, let's be really honest. What do people use their iPhone for? Is to communicate via social media, to look at Facebook, to watch movies, and maybe if in China you go shopping online or use the virtual payment systems. And there's no kind of thing related to the new Apple credit card, virtual credit card, whatever that is going to be. I think it's an update of Apple Pay, but you have these other systems which are trying to go global at the moment, like WeChat and Alipay. So, the new update, please do. I have on all my systems, and they say that the battery is going to be better, it's going to be faster, yada, 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 yada. And just for the average user, I don't think there's much difference at all. So we're all excited for the super update in September time, the iOS 13, when the new iPhone 11 or X1 or whatever comes out, and the other delights that Apple will announce in California. Is it going to improve our lives? Well, let's hope so. Is there going to be some amazing new features? I hope so, but I don't think so. So, like most people, I'll be holding on till 2020 when hopefully we're going to have 5G mobile phones and lots of new features, as 2020 seems to be going to be a technological year. So, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and just my point of view as a non-expert compared to the other people who will yada 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 over lots of different techniques. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you very soon on the Apple Hacks channel or any of my other videos. As always, like, subscribe, and share. Be good to each other. I'm out of here. Bye-bye for now.